Clayton here with Your Tech. We're working on a LiteTouch system. We just replaced module number 9, which happens to be the troubleshooting module for the shutters that we're working on this job. We have it connected, and whenever we do a module communication test from the options menu, it goes through and it counts every module and it loops. So this is the third time it's counted it, and then it'll count them a fourth time, it'll count them a fifth time, and so on until you push in a key. So we push it and then it'll finish its test. So module 1 every loop, modules 4, 5, and 6 every loop, 7, 8, and 9. 9 is the troubleshooting one, and it says it's not reporting any loop at all. And the funny thing about this is actually the one that was in the box, and it messes up 10 and 11. It'll stop reporting, and whenever it is installed, it is actually worse off than whenever it wasn't installed before. So to test this theory, we just unhook and we bypass module 9 completely. So we go straight to module 10 and 11 to the communication. And now 9 isn't hooked up at all, and we run our same test, and it does all the tests, and it doesn't, nothing is found. So we'll stop the test here, and then it finds 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6. It doesn't find 9, of course, because it's completely disconnected, but it finds 10 and 11 perfectly. So the one new in the box was actually repaired in the box, was actually causing issues.